There's things that they are going to learn about themselves that they never knew before. My name is Erez Cohen. I'm the founder of Florida Men's Health. I started this clinic about 10 years ago. My main purpose for starting this clinic is I saw a major need for it. We were working in the medical field, research studies, and I ran into quite a few patients that either dealt with erectile dysfunction, fatigue, not feeling themselves for being middle-aged men, and just not feeling the way they did when they were younger. The experience when a person comes to Florida Men's Health is first class. We have a very good staff here that make them feel very relaxed at home. The difference that they're going to see between us and most clinics is the conversation that we have, the time that we give each individual patient.
Both the doctor and Erez, they made me feel extremely comfortable. They explained everything in extreme detail, left nothing out. I was sort of repetitive with my questions, and they still took the time to just make sure I knew everything and made me feel very comfortable.
Seeing those patients coming in with a big smile, and not only from a physical performance standpoint, but their whole social and life interaction and their relationship with their spouse, whatever direction it is, it gives a lot of satisfaction for us to see the success.
I think that the biggest experience that they get from here is the knowledge that they leave with. There's things that they are going to learn about themselves that they never knew before. Experiences that they had that they thought they were isolated, they thought they were only one dealing with things like this, and suddenly they realize, oh my God, this is a common thing.
I will definitely tell people, if you really feel not comfortable in a different place and you want someone that you can feel like a family, that place you feel like a family member, not only like any other customers.
The most important thing is that you don't just sit at home and pretend this issue is not happening. There's help. We could help you. We'll sit down with you, we'll figure out what the issue is, we'll tell you everything up front before we move forward, we'll make you feel comfortable. We offer free consultation. Call today, come in. Least of all, you'll learn a lot about yourself. And we'll be happy to go over the issue with you and give you our opinion how we could help.